Best Motion Activated Sprinkler 2022. Number 1. Havahart 5277. This year-round motion-activated sprinkler operates both during the day and at night. It has sophisticated sensor equipment that only turns on when there is movement. This preserves water and battery life. It can identify animals and birds up to 40 feet distant thanks to a 120-degree infrared sensor. It can intelligently learn to differentiate between animal movement and wind-blown tree limbs. The sensor angle can be shifted upward or downward for smaller or larger animals. It may function as a standard water sprinkler and is powered by 4 AA batteries. Only 1 to 2 cups of water are used each time this water-saving sprinkler is activated. In addition to off and sprinkler, which can be used as a standard sprinklers, there are 4 sensitivity options. It includes a strong metal spike, runs on 2 AA batteries, and has a 100-foot detection range. The infrared sensor, which identifies animals by their body heat rather than the motion, gives the device a wider detection area. The sprinkler head cannot be moved up or down, but it is active day and night to find and drive away pesky animals. Number 2. Gardena 38124. The oscillating sprinkler's nozzles continually provide even and accurate grass watering for areas ranging in size from 96 square feet to 2,300 square feet, avoiding the formation of puddles or dry patches. Versatile. Use the built-in sliders to adjust the watering range to fit your garden. Use the flow controller to adjust the water flow rate for precise watering. Flexible and quick location switching. The oscillating sprinkler is easily positioned in the grass wherever needed, owing to the sturdy metal spike base with a built-in step that makes it hill-friendly. On spaces ranging from 96 square feet to 2,300 square feet, the Gardena Zoom Max oscillating sprinkler on a metal spike helps to accomplish equal and precise lawn watering. This sprinkler can be trusted to work to a high degree because it was made in Germany using strong materials. This oscillating sprinkler may also function well in a variety of settings to meet your specific watering requirements. Number 3. Abco Tech. Any animal that dares venture within the effective range of this sprinkler will be doused with a terrifying but harmless amount of water, which will likely cause it to second-guess its actions and steer clear of your garden in the future. The model's main advantage, aside from that, is its combination of a strong infrared motion sensor and an adjustable nozzle sprayer that fires strong bursts of water while using as little water as possible. You can effectively defend your lawn and garden from a variety of pests and wild animals, including deer, birds, raccoons, as well as stray cats and dogs, by choosing this model. Additionally, if built correctly, the strengthened base renders it entirely dog-proof, so you don't have to worry about your pets or the pets of your neighbors knocking the thing over. All in all, this model will be ideal for you if you're looking for a straightforward yet powerful deterrent sprinkler. It makes all the difference when it comes to the security of your lawn because it is fully adjustable and simple to operate. Number 4. Orbit 62100. The Orbit Yard Enforcer motion-activated sprinkler makes the promise that it can completely keep animals and vermin out of your yard in a humane manner. Its 40-foot detection range and 70-foot spray range will give your yard, bird feeders, and garden general 24-hour protection from pests, giving you peace of mind. The 3 major methods the Orbit Yard Enforcer uses to scare animals away from your yard are a surprise, noise, and a blast of cold water. Using these 3 techniques to scare off intruders in undesirable sections of your yard. It functions as a sentinel, constantly monitoring your garden or yard for intruders. The Yard Enforcer is a fantastic product from a reputable irrigation and home improvement company. The Yard Enforcer Model 62100 that we're studying today is designed to scare away trespassing animals that have entered your yard without authorization and are likely to cause trouble. This sprinkler keeps out a variety of creatures, including rabbits, cats, deer, and anything in between. For ultimate security, you can buy multiple units and strategically install them in your yard. Number 5. Hoont Cobra. Hoont is another well-known name in the industry that offers a variety of reasonably priced motion-activated sprinklers. Regarding the feature of this motion-activated sprinkler from Hoont, this sprinkler is made to safeguard your kitchen garden around the clock because it is entirely adjustable and covers an area between 0 and 30 feet. Additionally, the sprinkler's jet mechanism sprays out tiny showers of water over 5 seconds, successfully scaring off animals while using minimal water. In fact, you can almost completely cover an area of around 1,000 square feet with the adjustable sprinkler head. One of its best features is that this sprinkler only needs 2 AA batteries and has a strong 120-degree PIR sensor that effectively detects motion and keeps your garden secure. In addition, it is simple to attach because a metal spike is included. However, an optional extension pipe is also included in the package, which is helpful if you wish to expand its height. Number 6. Enforcer. Orbit is one of the most well-known brands for producing premium quality motion actuated sprinklers. The Orbit 62100 Yard Enforcer motion activated sprinkler has different day and night only modes and 24-hour protection, allowing for flexible use as needed. There won't be any water wasted due to erroneous activations because the sprinkler also has clever sensor technology that can discern the difference between trees and animals. In terms of design, this water sprinkler may distribute water sprays in either a 360-degree circle or in partial sections. Additionally, it uses a straightforward spike design, which greatly simplifies the installation process for all users. In actuality, this motion-activated sprinkler gives roughly 7,500 activation cycles while running on just 4 AA alkaline batteries. Additionally, it has a 40 feet impact sprinkler with a brass hose connection and a 120-degree sensor to keep the animals at bay. So that wraps up today's video, guys. Hope you all liked the video. If so, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel too. So that's it for today. Let's all meet with a new video in the coming episode.